Hey friends, hello and welcome back to today's YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can adjust the page border margins in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So open your Microsoft Word document. So I have here this document with a page border in it. So how can we adjust the page border margins for this? Then let's go click on this ribbons at the top. So here you will find the layout, this one, and here you'll find page setup. Now click on this arrow, and here you can simply adjust the for the margins. It could be at the top, at the left, for the bottom, for the right. So it's up to you. There's also a preview in here. So you just need to simply click on this up arrow. Here you will find this arrow up. Then you just need to simply click on that to adjust or to increase the size. So let's do it for the left. Now click on this arrow, and as you can see for the preview, now let's click on OK. There you go. So we can see that the text has been moved, but the margin or the borders has not been moved. So how we can move the border, that will also that how we can move the border, the same thing as how we move the text. So let's go click on the design tab, click on page borders, and here you will find options. Click on that. You have measure from. Click on this drop down arrow and select text. Now click on OK. Click on OK, and there you go. It has moved, or the border moved, when the text has been moved. So whenever you want to adjust it, you can simply go back to layout and click on this and increase the size from here, or decrease the size from here. It's up to you. You can decrease this from the left. Click on OK. And now if the border is not moved, just like how you move the text, go to design, click on page borders, click on options, and simply choose measure from text. Click on OK and click on OK, and there you go. So let me show you this. That's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.